Actually, we are practicing the numbers from 3 to 10. Okay, and what we are practicing here, we are practicing that the noun that comes after these numbers, it should be plural and with their, okay, and in reverse relation with the number in gender. Okay, we have to, what rule says the numbers from 3 to 10. For numbers from 3 to 10, the noun, okay, noun should be number 1. What it should be plural, okay, and second thing, it should be with their, okay, it should come with their at the end. And the third thing, reverse opposite gender, it should be opposite gender of the numbers gender, and the nouns gender should be opposite. Okay, opposite gender. So that is the rule. Okay, for, see here, for numbers 3 to 10, for numbers 3 to 10, the noun which comes after the number, this noun is called Madood. Remember, this noun which comes after the number is called Madood. This noun should be, it should be either of it should be, it should maintain these three things. Okay, it should follow or observe these three things, which are as follows. Number one, the noun should be plural, not singular, and it should be with their. Okay, it should be with their, means there is there at the end. Okay, and number three, very important, is it should be opposite gender, opposite from the numbers gender, and the nouns gender should be reversed, should be opposite. If the number is ashara, see here, if the number is ashara, so it is feminine. Okay, so it is feminine. So the madud, this madud, the noun, it should be masculine. Okay, but at the same time, if the number, if the number is not feminine, instead it is masculine. Ashara, there is no wrong ta, so it is masculine, na? Yes, so it is masculine, so the madud should be the noun feminine. Yes, that is the opposite gender. That is called the reverse relation in gender. Okay, na? So we have, all and all, in a nutshell, we have to maintain these three things. The noun madud should be plural. Secondly, it should be with their at the end. And number three should be opposite gender from the number. Okay. I think you should take a screenshot of this because it is a layout of our lesson. And I think it is a good structure, and it will be helpful for you to learn the lesson. Yeah, take your time. Yeah, no problem. Take your time. Okay. Good. Okay, let's start with the sentence here. Layla. Okay, from Salma. Salma. Salma says, so actually this is a conversation going on between two girls. One is Layla and the second one is Salma. Got it? Salma says, Li arba'atu ikhwatin wa arba'u akhawatin. Can you translate this? Yeah. Or yeah, has have. Okay, we have three translations for, has have, and belong to. Yes, very good. So here you should go for what I, has is very good, is idiomatically sounds good. I have. Li, lamze li mean has and have, and little ya means I. So I have. No, no, leave it. Leave it. Just say, Salma says, Li, I have arba'atu, four, four. ठीक है? Arba'a, four. No problem. I have four ikhwatin, brothers. Very good. ठीक है? So ikhwa is ma'dud and arba'a is number. ठीक है? And the relation between two is reversed. So ikhwa is masculine, masculine or not? Actually masculine, you know. Or although even though there is round ta at the end, but this round ta is not for femininity. It is not for femininity. It is for, just a part of word. Actually ikhwa means brothers, and brothers is a masculine gender. Okay, so all in all ikhwa, this word is masculine word. Got it? Yes. Okay. And it is also plural. See, we have three checks. It should, the noun should be, the madud should be plural. See here, plural. And ikhwa is plural. Its singular is akhun. Remember, akhun. Akhun is singular, one brother, and its plural is ikhwa. Yeah. So the first condition is met. The first condition was the madud should be plural. So it is ikhwa plural. Second thing, it should be with zair. And there is a zair, ikhwatin. See, there is a zair. Yeah. And the third thing is it should be opposite gender. And it is opposite gender. Arba'am feminine and ikhwa is masculine. So all things are fulfilled here. Okay? Yeah. I have four brothers. Wah, and arba'u akhawatin. Arba'u again, four. Akhawatin mean sisters. Sisters. Yeah, sisters. Because it is open ta, na? Open ta is for femininity. Feminine. So it is for the sisters. I have four sisters. And let's see, all these three things are fulfilled here or not. Let's check. First thing, what is the madud in this arba'u akhawatin? What is the madud here? Which which word is madud? Can you tell? Yes, akhawat. That is because arba'u is a number. It is a number. So it could not be a ma'dud. So ma'dud should be a noun that follows this number, that comes after this number. Okay? So akhawat is ma'dud. And see here. So this we said in our rule, what we have said? We said that the Madood should be number one, plural, should be with Zair and should be opposite gender. Let's see here. So akhawat is plural or singular? It is plural. Plural because its singular is ukhtun. Remember? Ukhtun. Ukhtun means one sister. One sister. And akhawat is many sisters. So it is plural. Okay, the first condition is met, this one. Now the second condition is with it should be with zair. So see here, akhawatin, there is zair at the end. Okay, so second condition is also fulfilled. Okay, now third thing, it should be opposite in gender. Okay, and is this condition met here, fulfilled? Yes, definitely it is fulfilled because arba'u, it is masculine word. There is no wrong ta, no? Since there is no round ta, we consider this number masculine. Arba'u. Got it? If it is arba'atun, arba'atun. So because of this round ta, because of this round ta, we consider this word feminine. Okay? But when this word is without round ta, just arba'u. Arba'u. It is also again a number, but there is no round ta at the end. So that's why it is considered what? Masculine word. Okay, now it is considered a masculine word, not feminine word. So here akhawat is feminine and number is masculine without o. Okay. In this way, we are applying this rule on all the sentences, on all the Madood.